Come with me to work out today, y'all. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just working out and pretty much just taking a lap or two around this little area. Yeah, get some cardio in, get them legs moving. So y'all, got my watch on. Let's get it in. So this is just so peaceful and relaxing. I needed this walk. I really did. Every now and then you just gotta take a walk, turn your mind off, and just, you know, take a walk. Get into that nature, see some trees, smell the air, taste the air.
The good thing about being out here, we don't hear no gunshots, no helicopters, no police, no crackheads, no chicken heads, no nothing.
Yeah.
Just clean, fresh air. Just smell good, huh?
Yeah.
Tastes good. Taste the air. Ah.
You know, all of that good stuff. So that's just what I'm doing today. It's nice outside. I'm gonna take me a walk. And yeah.
Dreaming of Saturn.
About to go get us some smoothies. So let's go.
Intrusive thoughts, they're paralyzed. Nirvana's not desensitized. It's got to be more than before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern.
Thank you.
So that's it for this video, guys. This walk was so therapeutic. I hope that you guys are staying consistent with your goals, staying active, whether it's walking, working out, whatever. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love y'all.